Hello friends, I recently lost the side light of the left headlight. It was necessary to conduct a plus wire. This can be done in two ways. Lead the wire from the control unit. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Or from another headlight, which I did. This is a more or less easy way. Here is the wire that I run from headlight to headlight. Plus, I took from the right headlight and connected it to the left headlight. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.